Introduce highlight features or overview summary of iKKEGOL, OBD2 Splitter Adapter. There are features include Dual OBD2 expansion. Turns one OBD2 port into two OBD2 female ports plus one USB-A plus one USB-C port, run a scanner and charge a phone simultaneously. Built-in USB and USB-C charging. Integrated USB and USB-C power ports provide convenient charging for phones, tablets, dash cams, and other devices while driving, reducing clutter and improving in-car convenience. Pocket design. Compact design to plug in, you can save wear and tear on your OBD2 diagnostic tool connector. You can leave the device plugged in and don't have to worry about unplugging it to hook up. Plug and play, no external power needed. Durable build. Constructed with durable ABS housing and high-quality copper wiring for stable data transmission, enhanced conductivity, and long-lasting performance during daily use. Universal compatibility. Compatible with most vehicles equipped with standard OBD2 ports, 1996 and newer in the USA. Ideal for automotive diagnostics, fleet management, telematics, tuning tools, and monitoring systems. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.